guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before we get into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look using new products that I just recently bought. So if you want to see how I accomplished this look, keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just going to jump right into my base because I'm going to start with that. Now that I'm done contouring my face, I'm gonna apply the foundation. So I'm using the Fenty foundation in the shade, what shade is this in? Okay, I'm using the Fenty foundation in the shade 420. So, yeah. So I'm taking this brush. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. And where we contoured before, I'm just gonna clean that up. Okay, so I'm gonna take a sponge and just blend that foundation out. What I'm gonna be using is the Fenty concealer. I'm gonna be using this Morphe brush to blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to be setting my face, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder. gonna use the Fenty bronzer. I'm gonna take this brush. So I'm gonna take this. Alright guys, I'm just gonna be quiet so you guys can just watch and see how I apply this. So I don't have gonna take this. I'm gonna take the Fenty concealer. I'm gonna take the Fenty eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna go back. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna take this brush, apply that brown shade right under my eyes. Alright, now that we're done with the face, I'm gonna move on to the lip. So I'm gonna use the color Mocha, which is in A30. Okay, I'm gonna go back with the lip liner to just make it darker. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching how I achieved this look right here. If you want to keep seeing more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.